All right, so I'm here at one of my ATM locations, and we're gonna go ahead and open the machine up. This one's extra secure. Depending on the location that you land, you might wanna secure it even more. This is obviously an outdoor location, so you know, we're like a little bit overboard on this one. We actually have this thing bolted down to a slab of concrete as well. So it's like 3 locks, and it's bolted down to a slab of concrete, and there's cameras. Anyways, I'm gonna show you in this video the difference in when you would wanna fill a cassette clear full, and when you could probably just put like $1,000 or $2,000 in a cassette, and kind of the differences here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about really quick. By the way, if you haven't already, smash that like button, click that subscribe button, and stay tuned for a lot more freaking ATM videos. We also do a little bit of wholesaling real estate. We own a marketing agency, so we do some other stuff as well, but really we just like passive income, okay? And I know you watching this right now, you also like passive income. So as you can see, there's only one cassette in here right now. There are machines with multiple different cassettes, so you could actually have more than 16 grand. So this cassette right here holds $16,000, okay? So we're actually gonna jump over here into the Prius real quick and load this thing clear full. All right, so for this particular location, first of all, I'm in my Prius and I'm wearing very normal clothes. We're always armed, so totally up to you. But when we're loading a lot of money like this, we stay armed, we stay very low profile, very low key, but we always want to be very careful. So I get in my car, we check our surroundings, and then we go ahead and load in the cash. So for this ATM, we actually load it clear full of cash. Now this cassette again holds $16,000, so I'm going to show you literally right now what loading a cassette clear full actually looks like. And what I want you to understand is the different ways to get in the ATM business. You don't have to be the one loading the cash with your money, but you can be, right? There's a lot of money to be made there too. By the way, if you haven't seen my other videos where I talk about those ways to do it, then definitely go check those out. Continue to watch my channel because we're going to be making a lot more videos. That being said, if you are the one loading it with cash, just understand that, you know, if it's an ATM machine that, like, track your numbers, right? Like, you know, own your machine for a month or 2 months or 3 months and figure out how much do people take out of the machine, right? How much gets used on average, and don't overfill it, right? Because your money is honestly better spent elsewhere, right? Like, this is like having a really high interest savings account. But at the end of the day, like, I don't want to put enough money in here to last 6 months, really. I mean, like, maybe if I'm gonna go travel the world, okay, or I have nobody to help me, but you know, I'd rather just go get more machines, right? More locations, and have more locations. So just understand that there's a lot, like, there's no right or wrong way. This machine particularly will go through all of this money within 2 days. So it'll get you $16,000 to get used in 2 days. There was already $6,000 in here. I put $10,000 more in here. I'm gonna close that cassette so the cash is nice and packed, clear full, tight like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and close it up, and I'm gonna go put it back into the ATM machine. So again, I'm just gonna take the cassette, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put it back in here. And I always go ahead and check the reject bin really quick. So the reject bin is right here, and there's actually no bills in there right now. If there was any bills that weren't good or that were somehow like fake, we really don't ever come across that. But if there was, they would be in the reject bin. We don't have anything in the reject bin, so we're good there. So somehow this thing got locked. We're gonna go ahead and unlock this right here, and then we're just gonna go ahead and lock that safe, right? Now obviously we wanna make sure that it's 100% locked, and then we're gonna go ahead and lock that. And now we have to program the ATM and tell the machine that we put money into it, okay? The machine doesn't know that we put money into it yet. So I'm telling the machine right now how much money we put into it. We go by the amount of bills. Once you get into the ATM business, you'll understand that you don't really count money anymore. You count the number of bills. So $10,000 is 500 bills. All right, so 500 bills went into this machine. We're going to apply that. It's going to send that to the host, which is our back office. And that's pretty much it, guys. So I'll show you here what we make in profits from this ATM machine here in just a moment. I'm gonna do what they call a trial day total, which is gonna tell me actually what this machine has done in profits, just to show you guys. But just understand, you know, again, I've made other videos about this before. The ATM business, like, phenomenal business to get into, okay? Be safe, you know, don't be all flashy, right? We're not extremely flashy. Like, we might be on social media because we want to show you that there's a lot of money in this business, but outside of social media, we're driving a Prius, we're armed, we're loaded, there's multiple men, obviously filling these ATM machines. They're bolted and secured to the ground by 3 or 4 or 5 different padlocks. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys here really quick. Okay, so from the 17th of September to the 12th of December, what is that, 3 months? 9, 10, 11, 12, 4 months? We dispensed $160,000 out of this machine, and we made $6,856 in profit, okay? So again, that equates to probably about $1,500 a month or $2,000 a month off one machine. Guys, if I can do it, you can do it. This is not a hard business to get involved in. There's a lot of gurus out there preaching the business and they're not doing the business. Be careful who you take advice from. We have somewhere around 100 machines. Not all of them we load. We load a very few amount of them. We only load probably about 15 or 20 machines right now with our own cash. The other 80 of them, we just own the machine or we're a part owner of the machine. We're looking to scale, right? We're about to go from 100 to 200 to 300 to 400 to 500 machines in 2020. If you have a machine or you have a location you want to partner with us, we'd love to potentially explore that option. Definitely shoot us an email or a message on Instagram or YouTube or whatever, and we're here to help, right? We want to help you and show you how you can make passive income in 2020. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and smash the like button, hit that subscribe button, and drop in the comment section down below what you'd like to see in another video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.